Well, good morning, y'all. Jon and I are currently walking and talking. Things I don't do well. We're gonna cross the street too. But we are here in a beautiful San Juan. Jon and I booked an excursion for coffee, so it's gonna be great. Are you ready for it?
Right.
Yeah, lots of coffee, lots of history. We're gonna bring you with us, and apparently you're gonna walk across the street with me. And I don't suggest doing this, so don't follow what I'm doing. Very unsafe. I have no idea how Jon's allowing this. No idea. But it's gonna be a great day. So you're gonna come with us, you can follow us, and you're gonna see what this coffee is all about.
Coffee tour. So we get to learn the history of Puerto Rico and the history of coffee and how it connects together while we are tasting coffee throughout the city. Does that sound like a plan? Yes, good.
So far, so good. We are taking a very scenic walk through the center of San Juan, learning the history. That was a nice cobblestone type of roadway back there. It's pretty nice, very pretty, very colorful stairs. And let me tell you, it is a blistering 80 degrees with like 90% humidity here.
Now, the fort comes with the wall system that surrounds the city. This is very important because we're going to be walking around the city. We'll get to see the wall. So we need
All right, so we are on a walk. I feel like I'm just walking all the time. Oh wait, hold on, it's a walking tour. Silly. But we just went to the city square. We learned a lot about Christopher Columbus. So if you have no idea about his history, he thought he was going to India, but somehow ended up here. Well, he ended up in the Dominican Republic first, and then he ended up here. And now they're doing a whole bunch of renovations to the buildings. But apparently the building burned down at one point. And now what's left is from the 1600s. So we learned all about that history, and now we're enjoying some breeze because it's hot, very, very hot.
As the building continues to elevate, you're gonna notice that we don't have windows, we have doors, so that way we can have more lighting, but also have better ventilations inside the property. The buildings are going to be constructed out of limestone and brick, which are going to help for the heat to stay outside the property, and having very high ceilings are going to help for the heat to go all the way up to the ceiling. Shot of espresso, and we're going to drown the ice cream on the shot of espresso. This is going to be an Italian recipe, but it's very easy. You guys can make it back at home. You can always do your espresso shot with a nice mocha pot, or here we call them grecas.
We just finished our first coffee stop. It was delicious. Espresso shot with ice cream on it. And now we're headed to another stop, another historical stop. I'm ready. It's gonna be great. A lot of walking, a lot of sipping, great water, air conditioning. Let's go. Let's do this. We've done a lot of walking, we've done a lot of seeing. We saw the church, very pretty on the inside. We saw a gate, a giant gate, right? It's like a fortress.
The fortress, yes.
Yes, so there's a fortress, and then after that we came through this place that is like a vision of my nightmares. We had to walk through a pigeon park. Yes, that's right, a flying rat park to come and get a cup of coffee. So Jon, this cup of coffee better be good.
Better be good.
Yeah, it's our last coffee stop. We've learned a lot about coffee. In fact, the only reason why coffee exists, just so you know, is because sheep were not falling asleep because they ate some random thing in the woods, in the fields. So there you go. Fun fact. That's why we have coffee. Thank you, sheep. But we're gonna go grab a cup of coffee and hopefully find a bathroom, and then we'll see where we're gonna lead us after this.
All right, so that was the end of the tour, and we have to walk past the pigeons again. Very lovely pigeons that Dymon really enjoyed.
No.
Just shoo them. That's all you gotta do. Move, excuse me. You just gotta move them out of the way.
Look at us. I think it's perfect. I think it's delicious, and it's all my dreams come true. All right. She's a little bit more courageous than I am, but she had something. She had two exotic things. Let me just say. Okay, so she had oysters.
Oysters are
with
bomb.
Jon.
Yes.
I don't
Very
like
fresh.
oyster. I don't like to eat the ocean.
Slurpy goodness.
Nah. And then she had, what did she have?
Conch.
Conch.
In an empanada, and it was fabulous.
Nami, y'all. Nami. No. And we're just here waiting because Jon has to empty his bladder.
Yeah,
How dare you?
but I'm cuter. Thank
This
you
is
very
very
much.
true. This is very true.
Well, that lunch was delicious. It was amazing. Probably some of the best seafood that I've ever had. That was Cayo Caribe. So Caribbean K is what it stands for.
It was really good. I got the ceviche. Bomb. So good. And then they had this thing called like a crazy shrimp taco.
That's what I got.
And the guy explained everything, and I was like, I have no idea what that is, but I'll take two. I'm very glad I got two because they were super good, super filling, huge portions. I want to say that. But overall, really great experience. The waiter did an amazing job, and the atmosphere, I would say, was pretty spot on.
We did have to wait a while. Everything's made fresh,
Yes.
so I would attribute that the wait time was due to that. I got some oysters. Those oysters were delicious. Some of the best oysters that I've had.
No. Jon likes to taste the ocean water. I'm convinced.
But anyways, it's back to the ship we go.
Yeah.
See
We'll
you
bring you
soon.
with us.
All right, everybody. So that was San Juan for you guys. It was a great, fantastic time here. I think the highlight of my day was probably the seafood. It was delicious. It was great.
Yeah, that seafood was so good. That ceviche, still amazing. Actually, we liked it so much that we ended up not going to the MBR tonight. We're very full.
Very full.
But when we got back up on the ship, we went to the solarium, hung out for a little bit, and then we came back into the room and we got ready. And now we're ready for the night. And the night has a show on. It has some sort of, I'm sure we're gonna find some things to do tonight. There's a lot of stuff packed in that we have not yet done, that we're trying to get done because there is so much that MSC has going on the ship. So, I mean, I'm really liking this. Are you liking this?
I'm enjoying it, and we have a great view of San Juan. We're here till 10:30 p.m. today. You guys can see right there in the background. It's beautiful.
Beautiful. But we're gonna head on out. We're gonna see what's going on, and we'll bring you with us.
I like it. That was lately.
Some noise for Patricia and the band. Really, she wanted him as well. Made all the friends stuck up their nose and had a mouth that way. So everything was fresh on the driver's side.
y'all, so we just finished the show. It was called a rock show. That's all that was there. And then the name Patricia, and her last name starts with B. John will do some Bernier.
Patricia Bernier.
Okay, I wasn't sure how to pronounce her name. Regardless, she rocked it out. It was amazing. Has some pipes, super incredible. And the band that we saw last night played for this show, which was really cool. So very, very much the talent level is like all the way up here. Like
very good, very, very good.
Great. And now I think we're gonna go check out the palm tree show.
We are. Yeah.
You ready for it?
Let's go check it out.
Let's do it.
We're still in San Juan, and it's gonna be a good time.
Oh yeah, we still are. Here we go.
That's great.
Well, that was a beautiful day in San Juan, from walking the vibrant streets to tasting some of the freshest seafood and sipping some of that great coffee. That city truly filled our hearts and our stomachs, I would say so. We got back on board, watched an incredible show, and then took a walk and seen some sights around the ship. And let me just say, it's a night that we'll probably never forget. But since we called it a night, it just means it's the end of the vlog. So if you enjoyed coming along with us, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Our adventure has just started, so it's gonna be good. So tune into the next video, and we'll see you guys real soon.